strengthen the health human resources in the implementation of the universal health coverage. Now, Public Health Principal Secretary Mary Muthoni has said that the ministry will strengthen the capacity of the available medical training colleges in a bid to produce well-versed human resource. She spoke at the Embu KMTC.
Especially when you have a spine or the neck injury, you use the jaw thrust maneuver. We take us through the
So at this, we first for the baby.
I changed my towel because it's already wet.
I know we have about 3 counties that do not have a KMTC, at least even one, Kirinyaga leading. And we are doing our level best to ensure that we have facilitated the budgetary allocation for those counties, so that in every county, at least we will have a KMTC for training of our different cadres in the medical field. Therefore, it will require budgetary allocation and equally the goodwill from the leaders in that region. And I am more than convinced that this is going to happen. So we are looking forward to that. There are many other KMTCs across the country, and with the training institutions, we do not have a deficit equally, because most of the KMTCs that we have can accommodate the numbers that we always place every other year.